And in our world business news, Japan's Nikkei index ended more than 4% higher today. The positive sentiment was based on reports that progress is being made to contain radiation leaks at the Fukushima nuclear reactor. The Nikkei 225 gained 4.4% to end the session at 9,608 points. But the index is still around 7% lower than at its close on March 11th, the day the earthquake and subsequent tsunami struck the country. The yen traded at around 81 per dollar, and the currency also eased against the euro to around 115 yen per euros. The World Bank estimates that Japan's damage costs could reach up to $235 billion, or up to 4% of the country's GDP. And staying with Japan, billionaire U.S. investor Warren Buffett has given the country's battered stock market a boost. Speaking at the launch of his factory in South Korea, he said the earthquake is a one-time event that creates a buying opportunity. He added the disaster had not changed the economic future of Japan. The star investor said that although rebuilding would take time, the disaster has not changed his views of the country's prospects.
Frequently, something out of the blue like this, an extraordinary event, really creates a buying opportunity. I've seen that happen in the United States, I've seen it happen around the world, and I don't think Japan will be an exception. It will take some time to rebuild, but it will not change the future, the economic future of Japan. So if I owned Japanese stocks, I would certainly not be selling them because of the events of the last 10 days or so.
Gorkha Jan Mukti Morcha, a regional outfit of eastern India, continues its ban to export the famous Darjeeling tea, as the company demands a hike in wages of its tea garden workers. A meeting was held between the GJM and the Consultative Committee of Plantation Association, an apex body of all tea producers in India, in Darjeeling to lift the embargo. The meeting ended without a result. GJM had stopped tea export from Darjeeling from March 4th onwards, demanding an increase in the wages of the tea garden workers from 60 rupees to about 245 rupees.
We demand 245 as minimum floor wage in tea garden sectors, a sector of North Bengal. This is our prior agenda.
Before we head back to news, let's take a quick look at the Asian equity markets, commodity and currency markets, and after the break, Laura Buckwell is back with the news.